Imagine this. You wake up, make your coffee, sit at your desk, and instead of opening a mountain of tasks, you just type one sentence into your computer. And then you walk away. No clicking, no copy-pasting, no formatting spreadsheets. You come back 20 minutes later, and everything is done. That is not a fantasy. That is Claude Cowork. And in 2026, it is available to anyone with a $20 subscription. In this video, I will show you exactly what it is, how to set it up, what it can do for you today, and the mistake almost everyone makes when they first try it. So, what makes Claude Cowork different from every other AI tool you have tried? Every chatbot you have used works the same way. You ask, it answers, you copy, you paste, you repeat. That is a conversation. Great for quick questions, but your real work is not a conversation, it is a series of actions. Read this file, extract this data, organize this folder, create this report. Claude Cowork is built for actions, not conversations. Anthropic launched it in January 2026, and within 6 weeks, Wall Street was already paying attention. Thomson Reuters dropped 16%. LegalZoom dropped 20%, because investors understood what most people have not caught on to yet. This is not just another AI feature. This is a completely different way to work. Now let me show you how to get set up in under 5 minutes. Step 1. Go to claude.com/download and install the Claude desktop app, available on Mac and Windows. Step 2. You need a paid Claude subscription. Cowork is available on the Pro plan at $20 per month and above. Step 3. Inside the app, look at the sidebar. You will see 3 modes: Chat, Code, and Cowork. Click Cowork to enter Tasks mode. Step 4. Select which folders Claude can access. This is critical. Claude cannot touch anything you do not give it permission to see. You are in full control. That is it. You are ready. Here is how it actually works. You describe a task, not a question, a task. Claude builds a step-by-step plan, shows it to you, waits for your approval, then starts executing. You can watch it work in real time or just walk away. What makes it powerful is that Claude breaks big tasks into subtasks and runs them in parallel. It is doing 5 things at once while you are doing nothing. Real example. You have 40 receipt screenshots and need to submit an expense report. You type, "Go through my receipts folder, create an Excel file with the date, vendor, category, and amount for each one. Mark anything unclear as verify, and save it as expenses-February-2026. Walk away. Come back to a clean, formatted spreadsheet. What used to take 3 hours, done in 20 minutes. Another example. You have a folder of PDFs and research notes. You say, summarize everything into a structured Word document with key findings and a conclusion. Claude reads it all and delivers a polished report. Here are the top use cases people are using right now: file organization, research reports, expense tracking, content drafting, and data cleanup. And with the connectors launched on February 24th, Claude now reaches into Gmail, Google Drive, and DocuSign to work across your entire workflow. The feature most people miss? Scheduled tasks. You can tell Claude to run a task automatically every day or every week. So it is working for you even when you are offline. Imagine waking up every Monday to a pre-organized summary already waiting in your folder. Now, is it safe? Yes. Claude runs locally on your computer. Your files never leave your machine for training, and before Claude deletes anything, it asks for your explicit approval. No surprises. The #1 mistake people make with Cowork? They use it like a chatbot. They ask it questions instead of giving it tasks. Remember, chat is for thinking. Cowork is for doing. The moment you start describing outcomes instead of asking questions, everything clicks. Here is the recap. Claude Cowork is Anthropic's autonomous AI agent for knowledge workers. It runs on your computer, accesses only what you allow, and completes complex multi-step tasks while you step away. Starting at $20 a month. The question is not whether AI will change how you work. It already is. The only question is whether you are ahead of it or behind it. If this helped, hit subscribe. We cover the best AI tools and tutorials every week. Drop a comment below telling me the first task you would hand off to Claude Cowork. I read every single one. See you in the next one.